Okay, Grayson's going to show us that she knows all her shapes. She is so smart. Okay, can you hand me the square, please, Gracelyn? Where's the square? There it is. Thank you. Okay, can you hand me the circle? Where's the circle? Where's the circle at? There it is. Put the circle in the bucket. Good job. Can you show me the square? Where's the square? No, that's a triangle. Where's the square? There. Put it in the bucket. Whoops, that's the rectangle. That's the rectangle. Oh, we already did the square. Sorry about that. Okay, show me the heart. Nanny goofed. That was my mistake. We already did that one. Where's the heart, babe? Where's the heart? No, that's a rectangle. Where's the heart? Where's the heart? You're just being silly now. Can you show me where the heart is? That's triangle. Can you show Nanny the heart? We already did this once and you got them all right. So are you bored now? Can you show Nanny the heart? Where's it at? There it is. Can you put it in the bucket? Put the heart in the bucket. Good job. Where's the house? Where's the house? There it is. Can you put that in the bucket? Be gentle with it though. Thank you. Okay, can you show me the shoe? Where's the shoe? Where's the shoe? Okay, put it in the bucket. Okay, can you show me the triangle? Where's the triangle? There it is. Put it in the bucket. Can you show me the giraffe? Very good. Uh-oh, put it in there. Good job. Can you show me the star? Where's the star? Where's the star? There it is. Very good. Can you show me the dolphin? Where's the dolphin? Good job. Can you show me the rectangle? Very good. Okay, where is the crocodile? Very good. Can you show me the crown? Is that for the princess? Are you the princess? Can you clap your hands for me? Good job. Can you blow mom and dad a kiss? Say, I love you. Soon. That'll be coming next, huh? Okay, blow a kiss. Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say dog? Can you say roof, 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 roof? Can you say quack, 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 quack? Is that your duck?